Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new, please subscribe. Now I know in the last video I had mentioned to you guys that I had a big announcement, and if you can tell by the thumbnail of this video, I have continued my sponsorship with Falken Tires, and they were so gracious to send over a set of Falken RT 660 315 30 18s that we need to get mounted up on my Evo 10. These tires are massive. They are 315 30 18s, and this is going to be perfect for my car because I don't know if you noticed in my last track day video, but I was having all sorts of issues with grip, and this is definitely going to alleviate that. These tires are perfect for, if you wanted to, you could daily drive them, but they're more made for the weekend track guys that want to go out there and be able to set faster lap times. They're great. They heat up really quickly, which is good. I noticed with some other tires, you may have to get a couple laps in before you can get heat, but these things are amazing. I ran them on my Evo 9 in a 255, I think it was a 35-18, and then when I went wide body with the Evo 9, I had 275 35-18, and they're amazing. I love this tire. And I didn't want to go with a slick because I definitely need way more seat time in this car. So this is going to be the perfect tire to be able to do multiple track days and be able to get the car dialed in. So next thing we need to do is get the old wheels and tires off of the car so that way we can get these mounted. Alright, now that we got everything loaded up, we gotta head over to Gummy Grip to get these things mounted and balanced. Huge shout out to them for doing this for me. If you're local to Las Vegas, be sure to hit them up. They are a dealership for Falken tires, and they'll be able to get you hooked up with some grippy tires. Now let's go head over there and get this done. Big shout out to the guys over at Gummy Grip for getting these tires mounted and balanced for me. They have the latest and greatest technology over there for doing this. I don't know if you noticed it or not, but these were reverse mounted. So if you have some really nice, really expensive wheels that you don't want the face of them getting messed up, take them over there to them because they got you handled. Let's get to putting these on the car. Holy cow, guys. These legs are so wide. There's one last thing we have to do to make this official. Slap these bad boys on. Once again, thank you so much, Falcon Tires, for sending these massive tires out to me. I appreciate it so much, and I look forward to getting to my next track day and testing these things out. I'm very confident that these things are going to give me the grip that I'm going to need to go faster, but you have to stay tuned to find out about that. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button and be sure to subscribe. More content coming soon. Alright, till next time, guys.